All right, we're back at it. Part 4, how to make money as a music producer, part 4. Now, we're going to talk about the producer advance right here, and this is the amount that you get advance on your producer points, your producer royalties. Your producer advance is the amount you get advance based on your point scale, the future earnings you want to pull out of the song. That's it in a nutshell. You don't really need to go any further than that, okay? Negotiate this into your contract. Advance yourself the royalties and keep collecting after you recoup the advance back. It's very simple, okay? Hopefully you do business with a great label. You make more money up front and don't leave this thing on the table because we got to get more money, more power, and respect. Remember, negotiate this into your contract, advance the royalties, and keep collecting the royalties after you recoup the advance. Now, there's much more I can go into. If you book a call with me on musicmoneymakeover.com, we can go in depth with this because if you make music, you should make money. So follow for more music business tips.